my channel. I am here to share with you, I believe this is my last Valentine's projects, since basically everything is packed up. So if I do make anything else, it'll be after Valentine's Day. But I made these, I don't even know what to call them. They are just section containers that I've decorated to share some goodies. So here is one. I did make 5 of these, so I'll just give you a quick overview. And then here is the last one. So these are the containers that I got from Dollar Tree, and they have the 3 sections. And I know that Target has sold these before. I think this is slightly, bigger than the Target ones, but it's the same concept. So I got this idea from Jen Kelly, and she did this a few years ago to gift some Valentine's goodies, but I just took it a little bit further. That's just how I roll. These have exactly the same items in it except for the stamp. Like 3 of them have the same, and then 2 of them have the same. So I'm just going to show you how I decorated these, and then show you the contents in one. Otherwise, we will be here for a year, and I don't think you guys want to stay here for that long. So let me move these out of the way so I can share with you guys. I used various papers from, I can't even recall now. I got these at my local scrapbook store in just single sheets. So for the lids, I did cover the entire lid with the pattern paper, and most of these are double-sided, but I didn't like that you could see the glue, so I did cover the opposite side. It's the same back side of these, so I just wanted to have it really finished. And then on the front, I just used some various dies to decorate it, and I used basically the same dies just in different places. So I used my Lawn Fawn Love die, and as you can see, that gorgeous cardstock that I've been raving about all Valentine's. So I layered that up a few times to give it dimension. This is that Momenta die that I got from Hobby Lobby in their clearance, and this is a My Creative Time doily. And then these hearts, I can't remember. They're various hearts. I think some of them come from the same set as this one. And then I did shimmer some items up, but that is how the lid looks. And on the actual box itself, I took these dies that I got from Allie and cut them out of the same pattern paper and just adhered them on each section. This set comes with 4 different hearts. I just used 3 of them. So that is what that one looks like. And then here is another one. So they're really simply decorated just so that the recipient can decorate it some more, or they can do whatever they want to do with it. And then here is the hearts. And then here's the back side of that one. Here is my next one. So I use various foil papers, glitter papers, and this I believe is that Sizzix paper. Either that one or it's the pack from Target that I cut these out of. And then the ones that aren't really like shiny or sparkly, I did use my Spectrum Noir glitter pen. And then here is the inside of that one. Here are the hearts. Here's this one. I believe this is Doodlebug glitter paper. I got that from Hobby Lobby. So all the black ones, they're just plain cardstock, so I just use my Spectrum Noir glitter pen on those. How cute is this with all the speech bubbles? And then one last one. I think this one has to be my favorite. This has the X's and O's and they look like donuts. So I use the same pattern paper to create this doily. And see, that's the back side of it. And here are the hearts. So super cute. I love it. Okay, so let me share with you really quickly what I have inside. Like I said, they're all the same except for the stamp. So I have this size stamp in every single one. So this is one of them. And I thought this was so super cute. It says, "You're the cup to my cake." And then, let me see. The other stamp that will be in them is this one. So it's like a faceted heart. Super cute. So that's the only thing that will vary. Okay, so in this middle section here, I have some of these foam like heart frames, and they're in various colors. So I have a whole bunch of those in there. And then some of them will have a large heart like this, some of them will have a smaller than this, but it's the same foam glittery heart. A couple of these felt hearts, so it's gold on one side and then pink on the other. I had to find a lot of smaller items that I could fit in here. And then lining the bottom here are these little jewels. I picked these up at Party City. So they're just like little diamonds. Aren't they so cute? So that's what's in the middle. And then on one side, I just have a bunch of trims that I just gave like a little sampler. So I have these two. Most of these I got from Hobby Lobby. I have some red and white glittery baker's twine. Some of this, I don't even know what it's called, but you can use it to string like tags and stuff with. There's this heart felt like trim. And then these two. Then I have some of my handmade mini envelopes in there. And I did use some of these on this side. And then for the left side, I have a whole bunch of sequins that I sectioned out. I also have little packs of just anything heart that I could find that was small. So there's some buttons, there's some of these like plastic heart pieces. This is from Hobby Lobby in the wedding section. This is from their Valentine section this year. A large gem, a plastic bow, some of the arrows, some more buttons, some of the hearts. And then I have just a whole mixture of different sequins. So these I got from Hobby Lobby. These say love on them. It's pink and silver. So that's what each one of these will have. I was trying to fit as much as I could in these little sections. So I hope the recipients like the little containers that I put together for them, and they find use of all the little things that I have in there. It's just like a box full of love. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys have a fantastic Valentine's Day. Celebrate it with your loved ones, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.